This video shows you how to download bodymeasurements.txt and how to create histograms separated by gender. I'm going to click on bodymeasurements.txt and again click on bodymeasurements.txt. I'm going to save bodymeasurements.txt and look at the folder it's being saved in, which in this case is downloads. Go back to my original window, open StatCrunch. I want to go to Data, Load from File on my computer. I'm going to go to Downloads, going to drag and drop bodymeasurements.txt and load file. I want to create histograms of waist girth grouped by gender. This is gender equals female, and this is gender equals male. And this concludes my video.